Wash the car with soap and water. Rinse well and dry. The car must be free of any dirt, oil, grease, wax, or tar. All areas surrounding the repair must be well protected before sanding. Use a sander or sanding block with a 180 grit dry sanding paper to level the surface and wipe well. Use a clean and non-fibrous mixing board. Mix the necessary amount of polyester finishing putty and of hardener. Use a spreader and apply the putty evenly and firmly to maximize adhesion and to ensure minimal air entrapment. Use proper quantity and spread evenly. Let dry from 15 to 30 minutes. Use a sander or sanding block with a 180 grit dry sanding paper to level the surface and wipe well again. At a distance of 15 centimeters, apply 3 coats of surface primer with a smooth, sweeping motion. Allow to dry 15 minutes between each coat. The surfacer primer must dry for 8 hours before sanding. Use a flexible sanding block. The area to be painted must be sanded with a 400 grit dry sanding paper. Make sure the edges are well sanded. Wipe well with a clean cloth. The vehicle must be masked once again before painting. One last cleaning with a clean and humid cloth. At a distance of 10 centimeters, with a smooth, sweeping motion, apply several coats of paint to cover the area. Allow each coat 15 minutes to dry. Wait 15 minutes before applying the clear coat. At a distance of 10 centimeters, apply 2 wet coats of clear coat within an interval of 15 minutes. Wait 15 minutes before applying the blending solvent. Apply 1 coat of blending solvent to the edges. This will remove the overspray. Here is the final result.